1 number question. Who published the essay, Lovely Assam, in Young India newspaper? A. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Maulana Azad. D. None of the above. Right answer, B. Mahatma Gandhi. 2 number question. Who gave up the designation, Khan Bahadur, in support of Gandhiji's non-cooperation movement? A. Nur-ud-Din Ahmad. B. Muhammad Ali. C. Shaukat Ali. D. None of them. Right answer, A. Nur-ud-Din Ahmad. 3 number question. Chandpur tragedy took place during the A. Non-cooperation movement. B. Civil disobedience movement. C. Quit India movement. D. None of the above. Right answer, A. Non-cooperation movement. 4 number question. Assam Mahila Samiti was formed in A. 1920 AD. B. 1926 AD. C. 1930 AD. D. 1935 AD. Right answer, B. 1926 AD. 5 number question. Gandhiji started the civil disobedience movement in A. 1930 AD. B. 1932 AD. C. 1935 AD. D. 1940 AD. Right answer, A. 1930 AD. 6 number question. The First Lady of Assam who was imprisoned for taking part in the civil disobedience movement was A. Kiran Bala Bora. B. Guneshwari Devi. C. Chandra Prabha Sakya. D. Dabari Mek. Right answer, B. Guneshwari Devi. 7 number question. Gandhi-Irwin Agreement took place on A. The 9th of March 1931. B. The 9th of March 1941. C. The 9th of March 1951. D. The 9th of March 1961. Right answer, A. The 9th of March 1931. 8 number question. Assam Seva Dal and Assam Yuva Sangha were banned on A. The 15th of February 1932. B. The 15th of February 1934. C. The 15th of February 1935. D. The 15th of February 1945. Right answer, A. The 15th of February 1932. 9 number question. Communal award was declared on A. 17th October 1932. B. The 17th of October 1942. C. 17th October 1945. D. 17th October 1947. Right answer, A. The 17th of October 1932. 10 number question. The National Congress called off the civil disobedience movement on A. The 20th of May 1930. B. The 20th of May 1934. C. The 20th of May 1935. D. The 20th of May 1945. Right answer, B. The 20th of May 1934. 11 number question. Quit India movement was started on A. The 8th of August 1940. B. The 8th of August 1942. C. The 8th of August 1944. D. The 8th of August 1945. Right answer, B. The 8th of August 1942. 12 number question. Assam government banned the Congress party on A. The 10th of August 1942. B. The 15th of August 1942. C. The 20th of August 1942. D. The 25th of August 1942. Right answer, A. The 10th of August 1942. 13 number question. Who gave the declaration Karenge ya Marenge, do or die, during the Quit India movement? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. None of them. Right answer, A. Mahatma Gandhi. 14 number question. Under whose leadership the participants of the Quit India movement attacked the Sapna airport in the Kamrup district of Assam? A. Hemchandra Barwa. B. Brajanath Sharma. C. Banikanta Kakati. D. Gopinath Bardoloi. Right answer, B. Brajanath Sharma. 15 number question. Who among the following lost their lives by police firing during the Quit India movement in Assam? A. Nabakanta Barwa. B. Sahiz Bora. C. Kole Koch and Hemiram Bora. D. None of them. Right answer, C. Kole Koch and Hemiram Bora. 16 number question. In the Nagaon district of Assam on the 16th of September 1942, Panchavir Day was celebrated in memory of A. 5 martyrs who lost their lives during the Quit India movement. B. 5 soldiers of INA. C. 5 soldiers of British Army. D. None of the above. Right answer, A. 5 martyrs who lost their lives during the Quit India movement. 17 number question. Bhogeshwar Phuknani lost her life by police firing during the A. Civil disobedience movement. B. Quit India movement. C. Telangana movement. D. None of the above. Right answer, B. Quit India movement. 18 number question. Who among the following were the soldiers of Shanti Sena during Quit India movement in Assam? A. Mahendranath Hazarika and L. Lakshmi Prasad Goswami. B. Nabakanta Barwa. C. Sahiz Bora. D. Kole Koch and Hemiram Bora. Right answer, A. Mahendranath Hazarika and L. Lakshmi Prasad Goswami. 19 number question. Who among the following formed Mrityu Bahini to attack the British during the Quit India movement? A. Mahendranath Hazarika. B. Nabakanta Barwa. C. Sahiz Bora. D. Kole Koch and Hemiram Bora. Right answer, A. Mahendranath Hazarika. 20 number question. Who among the following was the public enemy no 1 foot in the eyes of the British from Nagaon? A. Nabakanta Barwa. B. Sahiz Bora. C. Kole Koch and Hemiram Bora. D. Mahendranath Hazarika. Right answer, D. Mahendranath Hazarika.